Ever feel like you're juggling 10 jobs at once while your inbox quietly judges you? Yeah, I've been there. That's why I tried Marblism AI. And let me tell you, it's like hiring a tiny army of digital elves without paying them in coffee and tears. So, what is Marblism AI? Think of it as your personal AI team. It handles emails, social media, SEO leads, calls, and even your calendar. Basically, it does everything you keep procrastinating on but faster and without the existential dread. Here's the magic: the SEO blog writer cranks out posts that Google loves and keeps your competitors sweating. Executive Assistant filters junk, emails, drafts, replies, and even takes meeting notes while you hit snooze. Guilt free. Community Manager turns your socials into lead machines. No dancing on TikTok required, I promise. Lead Gen and Receptionist finds clients, handles calls, and even cold emails like a pro. Legal Assistant explains your contracts without the lawyer lingo, so you stop nodding like you actually read them. I tested it for a week. Emails that used to pile up like Mount Everest got cleared in hours. Social media posts scheduled. Leads coming in while I was out grabbing coffee. It's like having a team of tireless interns, except these ones never steal your lunch. Honestly, if you're drowning in tasks, Marblism AI isn't just a tool, it's a lifeboat. Your productivity skyrockets, stress drops, and the best part, you actually get to breathe again. Check it out because juggling less has never felt this good. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.